So today we're going to talk about parallel and perpendicular lines, how to write the equations of parallel and perpendicular lines given a point, as well as figuring out if two lines are parallel or perpendicular. So before we go any further, let's define these things. So two lines that are parallel are two lines that will never intersect on a flat surface. That's the geometric definition. You can see that right here. So in geometry world, you're looking at that. In algebra world, we're really looking at same slope. So parallel lines have same slope. And that, remember, so they have the same rise. Over run. So that's what we're looking for, and we're looking for parallel lines. Perpendicular lines are two lines that form right angles. Again, there's the geometry version of it. Two lines that make right angles. Now, if we want to talk algebra, we're going to say that their slopes are negative reciprocals or opposite. I always talk about it in terms of opposite reciprocals instead of negative reciprocals. But what we're really going to do, what does that mean? Well, what that means is we are going to do two things. We are going to flip the slope. I call it flip it. Keep it simple. We're going to flip it. And we're going to change the sign. Okay? That's how we find if lines are parallel and perpendicular. They're going to have the same slope, or if they're parallel, or they're going to have opposite reciprocal slopes if they are, change the sign, or they're going to have opposite reciprocal slopes if they are perpendicular lines. In the next video, I'm going to do some examples.